What's up, guys? Austin Murphy here. Been a while since I made a video, but today I want to show you the process of powder coating my wheels. Also, for all the people that are experts at powder coating, etc., you're probably gonna laugh at this, but just know, like, this is my first time, and it's a learning experience for me and maybe someone else out there. I don't know. As you can see here, I have a Lexus IS 300. It's not the F Sport, but I got some tinted tail lights and then the reflectors. I put some wheel spacers on so the fitment looks nice. Now I need to paint these wheels black. So for the powder coat, I went with kind of a matte finish black. It's called Blackjack. And then I'm pairing it with a clear coat. It's the Clear Vision clear coat from Prismatic Powders. Definitely check them out if you're looking for anything powder coated related. And I think it'll give a good look. I didn't want it too glossy, so I'm hoping they turn out a little bit matte. Right now I'm sanding the wheels so that I can get down to more of a bare metal finish so that the powder sticks better in the oven. So that's what I'm gonna do for all 4 of these wheels. Alright, so right now I got this, it's kind of like a sponge, like a pool noodle material that you can wrap the sandpaper around to get into spaces like that. So I'm just going through, getting them done with my hand as best I can. And then there's some tighter spaces. There's different shapes of these that you can get too. But just basically like doing the best I can with the sandpaper by hand. And you can already tell a little bit of a difference between this wheel, which I haven't really touched, versus this one. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't even know like how far I'm supposed to take this sanding thing. I don't know if it even needed it. I'm assuming it did, but I'm just doing what I can right now, and I'll find out more later. Alright, so right now I'm just using this tack cloth to it's like a waxy cloth to just get the little things out, pick it up so it's extra clean, you know. Alright, now we're going to sandblast the little nooks and crannies that I couldn't get to, and try and see if I can get any remaining plastic that was on the wheel off the wheel. Alright, so we got a basic powder coat gun. We got the powder from Prismatic Powders going in. It's called Blackjack. It's more of a matte finish. And then basically you just hook this up. It charges the wheel, and then it's kind of like static electricity. It'll stick to the wheel for the most part. Alright, so we finished the clear coating. We did 1 coat. They're looking good. I went to Harold's Tire and got them mounted and balanced. And so now I'm just putting them back on. Got a little Hoonigan valve cap. They're not perfect, but for my first time, I think it went good. Still some learning to do, but overall, not bad. I'll show you guys what it looks like here on the ground here in a minute. So I got the wheels off right now. Got the tire shop to take the tires off, and they're on the ground. So now I'm gonna get to sanding. I wanted to mention, if you wanted to see any content regarding like a WRX or Range Rover RX-7, 350Zs, stay tuned because there could be a lot of car content coming. This is an RX-7. It's going to be wide-bodied. It's got wheel suspension, big brake kit, fully custom interior. Some nice R888s wrapped around those wheels. The engine bay is gutted. So this thing's going to be ready for a 2JZ. Some really nice seats. It's going to be a ripper for sure. And look how big these fucking brakes are. It's wild. Oh, this is one of his 350Z drift cars. It's my brother-in-law's, but this is his brother's drift car. He got a carbon fiber hood, and he's got an LS swap. So that's pretty dope. In here, he's got he's restoring an old ass Chevy. I'm not sure too much about this, but if you're into this kind of thing, also subscribe. There's the 2JZ going into the RX-7. Intercoolers and everything. This is another one of their 350Z drift cars. I love the wheels. It's a work in progress, you know. It's pretty dope though. What's up, guys? Finished up with the Lexus. Powder coated the wheels. They're done. I'll get some B-roll footage here in a second. They turned out really good. I'm very happy with them. They're not perfect by any means, but being that it was my first time, I learned a lot. So next time, they can be even better. So that's what it's all about. You know, if you know down in the comments, any tips you think I should use next time, let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, you know, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. We got a whole bunch more content coming. Cars, dirt bikes, you name it. Stay tuned.